Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Happy Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. We have a couple giveaways going on right now. And stay tuned because one of the giveaways is going to be right here on this video. Not Too Shabby and Kat Scrappiness are doing a collaboration. We have a blog and Instagram hop giveaway for you. So head on over to my blog. I'll have the link in my description box down below. Check out the card that I did yesterday using the beautiful Kat Scrappiness products and the Not Too Shabby Happy Fall stamp set. So we're going to make another card today, but we're going to get a totally different look. So this is the card we're going to do. It's a shaker card. I thought it turned out super cute. When hopping on Instagram, please follow us, leave a comment, and tag your friends. That way we can keep the giveaway going. All the details will be on the blog. So here is the stamp set that I'm giving away today. Kat Scrappiness Thanksgiving Gnomes stamp set. It's super cute. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is head on over to my shop, check out the Kat Scrappiness Slimline dies products that I have in the shop, and let me know what your favorite item is in the comments down below. For today's card, I'm using the Kat Scrappiness Tri-Frame Slimline dies. I have this in the shop. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. I love this die because it's perfect to make shaker cards because it cuts out a frame. You can add a piece of acetate, add your shaker bits on the inside, and I'm using the hot cocoa shaker mix from Kat Scrappiness, and I just had some sea beads in my stash. They were orange. I thought it went well with the card, so I mixed those in. I'm going to add my smaller panel on top of the acetate. That way I can lay down my images and create a little scene on the small panel. I love how that shaker just shakes all those bits around. It really does help when you add sea beads because I think they're heavy and it gets all the sequins shaking really well. I'm lining up where I think it's centered, and now I'm putting in the center piece first. I'm gluing that piece down first. That way I know it's all centered. Then I'll take the frame off and then add my glue. Here's the Happy Fall set by Not Too Shabby. I'm going to do some Copic coloring. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'll stamp out my images and then we'll do some coloring here. In our Happy Fall stamp set, there's a sentiment, Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. So I'm using that on a flag banner. I love that sentiment. Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. I love pumpkin spice lattes. They're so yummy. I don't know if you guys like them or if you tried them, but if you haven't tried them, I'd say you should because I think they're super good. But I always ask for only 2 pumps because I think 4 pumps is way too sweet and I don't eat a lot of sugar. So I am popping up my images here and I am laying some of the images flat down onto the paper. I'm using glossy accents for my glue. So those leaves are flat down on the corners there. So I thought that balanced out the card. I added the Happy Pumpkin Spice Season flag behind the pumpkin spice latte. So that's one piece. And now I'm adding the pumpkin and acorn to the other corner, and then I'll pair up the acorn with the drink. Now I'm adding some sequins to the outside of the card, and I'm using my handy Trinity embellishment holder there. And not to worry, those are coming to the shop really soon when I have the next Trinity stamps release, which is on September 18th. I'm going to give my card a good shake so you could hear that lovely shaker sound. I just love that noise. So thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to leave a comment down below to be entered into the giveaway. And also don't forget to head on over to my blog to enter the giveaway over there and on the Instagram channel. I will announce the winner for this giveaway on my community tab on my YouTube channel. So if you missed the previous winner for our scene building hop, you could find the winner on my community tab under my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.